Family, welcome back to Glorious and Brasia Kitchen. Happy Valentine to you all. Hey, your order. Send out you Valentine, no? Mami mwe. Tiane, nearby be no. Simple as always. Your drinks, your natural drinks. Didn't you know natural drinks though? And yam brodo. Hey, pano, bread, and watermelon, and some salami and cheese. Okay, and see me cheesy, sweet cheese, and salami. Yeah, salami. Hey, pepper and a hint of garlic kakra. Oh, and me cheese do make glass nano. Just overlapping. That's all. Tin. Nhân này vậy, cô này vậy ba. This one now you choose na sa na kai no ni. You can put on gloves, okay? This is mine. Amala namizi. Anyway, the same as this, but the cheese is not enough, so we'll leave it like this. Beetroot bread, Nini. The video is there or it's coming. Okay, say you travel to you. Hey, that's okay. Tin, yeah, and yeah, e. Okay. It's got to add some pan. Me the protein gum. Tin a brown kakra no wa flipping. Send out baby. Me butter too. Yeah. Me you so I can't believe it's not butter. Okay. I feel me woman cause you made engineer gum. Tin me fear feel it. Feel it. Come on. The other one is in here. Feel it. Perfecto. Maybe butter kakra to her. Because some butter flip it. Money of them kakra. Charlie Chaplin, use your hand. Come. Appreciate I have a tray. And then. Yeah, into your way. I come up. Maybe I'll pass a wall. You know, now they are to her. Not wear your glass and a buckle. Come on. You see your cheese in. Okay. Enti mama maninje obia mama den so be celebrating Valentine no in the grand style. Bibi kitwe bi enye hwe eye aduan aye dida bia but the way na me wo de styles kakra bi be hihye mun. Na ma na ye different. Enti me brodo no me de beetroot na eye nani na me twa mu na me de nkosi ahye mu. Se mu hui. So I say send ya me na obetumi eja comment. And so natural and no de reba ebeba and no so beba. Inti happy Valentine to you. Happy Valentine to you from Gloria's Kitchen. Happy Valentine to you. Happy Valentine. And my mate subscribers, both old and new. Happy Valentine to you all. Love from Gloria's Kitchen. Bye. Love you.